Hey, and welcome to Bog Brook Automotive. Today I'm here with Ryan. He is the head of the engine assembly area. As I tell him, get back in your room. Ryan, what have you got here? I mean, I know, but let's tell the people. You just got done with this.
Yep. What we have here is a stock LQ9 rebuild.
Okay, so cam is an LQ9.
Yep, LQ9 cam.
Okay. And I see
317 heads.
Yep. Okay, so that comes out to, I believe, an effective compression ratio of like 10.2, 10 and a quarter. Basically, these engines were used in the Escalades, the SS Silverados, and then in the Denali trucks a little bit later. I can see you've trimmed it out.
Yep. Yep. Everything's brand new, all new seals, new pistons, new main bearings, cam bearings, rod bearings.
Yeah, nice, 317 heads. To try to help you along in the way, we like to give you the sensors that are here. I don't want you to get a new engine and then find out your knock sensors are bad, which the water loves to get in here and wipe them out, so you get codes. These are pretty much universal sensors for the year. That would be oil. What else do we give them? Water temp, new water temp here.
Crank sensor, cam sensor.
Okay, crank is hidden. Boom. Right there, which the starter would cover up most of that. I see that you have provided them with a standard truck oil pan.
Yep.
We don't know if it would fit your project, but we do not like to ship engines open. This will all be closed up, sealed up when we go to ship it. I mean, this is just a video to introduce you to a stone stock remanned LQ9. So that means flat top pistons. You use the bigger, full floating rods. We call them dimpled rods. That is a truck harmonic balancer, which is normal and customary on an LQ9. Again, we don't know what you're going to end up using this for as far as a project, a replacement engine. These were rated at the factory for 345 horse. If you wanted to put a cam in this, you could probably definitely hit 400 horse without much problems. One of the banes of an LS engine is because they flow in the head so damn good. A good set of long tube headers will usually add 20 to 30 horse to this equation. So if you're looking for a little extra spunk, that's possible too. We do custom builds and build to suit. We like to have one of these on hand at all times, but call for price and availability. Right now we are at essentially $3,000, $29,995, and this is basically what you would get. I see you have torque striped everything once you're done torquing it down. Nice multi-layer steel shim gaskets, all the good stuff. We don't use the fiber gaskets, which I see some of the other manufacturers do because they're so damn cheap. So if you think you need an LQ9 in your life, we've got them. Give us a buzz here at Bog Brook Auto. The number is 207-261-1341. And Ryan, have I forgotten anything about this little magical engine?
No, not that I can think of.
Okay, and what do you use for an oil pump?
Melling.
Okay.
Depending on our tolerances, we either go with a stock melling or a melling HV.
Okay.
High volume.
Okay, so really you're using some good stuff here, better than GM did. So we usually offer a 1-year warranty on these engines as long as you're not going to supercharge and turbocharge and put 1,000 horse nitrous kit to them. You know, we've seen it all. So if there's something you can live with in your project, give us a call. Thanks.